We prepared our drone for the water test. We started to make a checklist of all of the points that we need to test on the water with our trash patrol drone. From drone speed to GPS functioning, from water leaking to actual trash collecting. And one of the part of the preparation was to try to break the drone before it gets to the real test. And we found some weak parts, and after that we fixed them. Also new to visitors in our makers community, Lucas from Poland and Max from Thailand. And of course it's always great to see all of our old members. One of the tricky part was to attach the electronic box without making holes in it. So Danilo came up with an idea, and we've made acrylic plate and using 3M double tape attached the box to the acrylic plates and made holes in the plate and attached it to the drone case. Also, I want to thank you, our experienced member Thanabadi, who was working on our electronic box, including setting up the software for Pixhawk drone controller. We plan to make water tests on Sunday. We meet at Pirate Bay at 4 p.m. so it will be still daylight, so we will see how the drone will perform. Also, we are thinking to start a crowdfunding campaign to pay the rent for the next year. It will be in August, and before that we need to collect the money. So I will keep you updated on which platform we will use for crowdfunding. See you in Pirate Bay.